This is your reminder to disinfect your reusable mask. Or if you use the disposable ones, time to throw it away and get a new one. I disinfect mine after every couple of uses using Dettol disinfectant and boiling water. I let it soak for about 30 minutes. Then swirl it off and pop it on the radiator.
Wash your hands to start. Fill up a bowl with warm to hot water, add your laundry liquid, just a little bit, and stir. Immerse your face mask and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. When you're ready, take it out and squeeze the excess water. Be careful of the wire insert. Now take it out to dry in the sun.